if I hit you now, you're gonna start at the same time. Yeah. Because if I see you for trying again.
Landlord, please.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Little Zacchaeus climbed a tree in his zeal, not knowing the Lord had sealed a deal. He honored that hard little man, and the lutes came tumbling down. Just when it appeared Lazarus was overwhelmed by the crushing silence of the tomb, he came and called him up from the tomb, and the roofs came tumbling down. There is a time when we face Gethsemane, abandoned by Peter, James, and John. But who could have told Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego that something was still in the offing? The Lord will be Lord in the fullness of time. The parting of the Red Sea is even on the way. He will banish your sorrows away to exile and fill your yard with laughter. When the cry of woe and lament captured the length and breadth of Egypt, there was a people who slept, simply because a blood was on their lintel. Even from evil he bringeth forth good. Have you not heard that all things worketh for good for them that love him and keep his laws? Not even the fierce approach of storm nor death. Like Peter's mother-in-law, I only hoped for a plain plate of rice. I didn't know the Lord had prepared a chicken soup to go with it.